You're not recording?
Well, because you turned it off.
Oh, well now we gotta redo it all. Okay,
We got another one to do.
we hit the button. Okay, here's the wire in there. You want to make sure it's in there all the way. So you try to rotate. If it doesn't rotate, you're usually in. Double check it. I like overlapping the groove so you don't have a groove there. So anyway, it's in there. So we do the other one. Make sure your two exhausts are going the same way. So this goes on this side, not that side. There's your, just like before. Maybe we'll get it all this time without turning the camera off.
Maybe not.
Yeah, whatever. And just pop it up. Boop, boop. Here's the pops. I just want to hear the damn thing's in the middle of the groove. I don't like it. Oh well. Sometimes it goes there. And it won't go out of that way. So I just go ahead and move it back. Try to move it back. I don't like moving at all. So it's in. That one's permanently in there. Okay. Now we got 2 clips left. And we get our fun part. Oil it up. Don't cut your finger in there. That one's lubed. Lube. Got a lot of lube. Put some in the cylinder. But I only get I go down about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. They're going very deep. You don't need much oil because it goes up the top. Lubricates the whole cylinder for you. Kind of spread it around a little bit. It's just pretty thick oil, so make sure you get it all the way around. Alright, let's get a coat of oil in here now. Next one. Alright. Get lubed. Alright. Pins are all out. Put that one up. Got more room on this side than that side, so you flip them around this way. Some oil in there. Finger lubed. Okay. I like putting oil inside the crank here, pre-lube it. That way when you start your bike up for the first time, it's got oil in there already. You don't have to wait for it to get there, it's there. So I poured on top of the connecting rod here. Look over here. See the fork rods on the bottom, so it acts like a little reservoir to get oil in there. That way you get oil here in the center rod. And you also work it in here so it gets against the flywheel. Gets a good heavy load of oil in there all around. And you can see it down there in the bottom of the case or not. Probably not. My fingers are in the way. If you get from my view you can kind of see it there. It's down there in the bottom.
Yep.
Anyway, you can always put a little bit more in there, doesn't matter. Don't put more than half a quart in there though. So we got about half a quart. Use whatever oil you're going to use. We're using 2050 on this one. You want to use a mineral oil, not a synthetic when you start it. Use something good, not cheap crap. It needs good oil all the time in it.